Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop. Quick update on the Glory Days group build 69 Charger. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's a 70 Charger. Oh no, I'm lying, I'm wrong there too. It's a 68 Charger. Oh my god. Well, the interior is done. I put a piece of tin tape in the back to cover the hole because the backseat delete. The engine, I'm still waiting for my wires to come in. The stock rims and tires I wasn't going to use them. I was going to use something else, but they don't look like something that they would run down a track. So I'm not going to use them. Let's see. I mean, it's really almost done. The hood's done. This is the bottom valance for the front. The radiator's been painted. Everything over here is done and ready to go. I have I'll just show you. Engine bay pieces here are done. The body has been painted. I did the back piece, it's still wet. And there's the garbage paint job. Duplicolor Plum Crazy. And it just came out like crap. It's literally fighting me. I've done all the prep work to it. Wet sanded it. High build primer. Wet sanded it. And it's just garbage. Like, literally garbage. I mean, it's pitted. Even the window trim for the chrome is all pitted, like really bad. And you can see it right there. That's not orange peel. It's a pit. I thought it was just orange peel, so I wet sanded it. And I cleared it. And after I cleared it, just the pits just came right back. So I don't know if it's the Duplicolor or the automotive primer that I used is, I don't know, it's like the paint it's dry because you can touch it, but it feels like it's wet. But I don't leave fingerprints in it or anything, but it's just garbage. I mean, I've wet sanded this roof twice and it's just garbage. Came out like crap. Let's see, we have, yep, you can fall off now. The underneath is done. The motor's just sitting there. I'm waiting for the wires to come in. It's gonna sit a little cockeyed because the chassis got a slight twist in the corner right here, which it just doesn't sit completely straight. But it's not a big deal. The body's been fighting me the whole time. I was gonna decal it tonight and put the decals in the water, and the decals disintegrated. Just put them in warm water, and they just turned to dust. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for decals. So clearly it's not gonna be a box stock build. It's not gonna be the Dick Landry's Charger paint scheme. I went with a factory color for that year. I had some decals I was gonna put on it, some black decals. I was gonna put the bumblebee stripe across the back, and they're just garbage. It all fell apart. So I'm gonna have to buy some new decals or do something for it. I don't know. But anyways, Here's my update on the 68 Charger. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's been a rough week for me, and this is as far as I got. It's been sitting in this configuration for about 4 or 5 days now, and it's just not too into this thing. It's been a fight since I started doing did the paint, and it's just I've just lost interest in it. But anyways, oh yeah, side note, I'm probably gonna enter 2 into the group build, only because I don't like how this one's coming out. So I'm probably going to end up building the Vega anyways. I'll add 2 to the group build and go from there. I don't know if I can do that right now, but I have plenty of time, so I'm not really rushing to do it. So anyways, y'all, thank you. Have a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, and help my channel grow some. Don't forget giveaway. If I reach 500, I'll be giving away a model, maybe 2, I don't know yet. Yep, so that's gonna be it for tonight. I appreciate it. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.